All right, so before we go any further, we have a couple of quick exercises that are just going to test you basically on what we just learned, select and where. So the first one, I'd like you to write the SQL that will select the following. And this is using our cats. So the same data that we already had, which is why I asked you to, hopefully you inserted the same cats. Basically, select all the cats, but only get their ID. And then the next thing I'd like you to do, of course, you can pause the video and do it, and then move on when you're ready to the next question, which is write the SQL that will select the following. Name and breed only. So we don't want ID, we don't want age, just name and breed in that order for all of the cats. All right, and the next one is a little bit more complicated. You'll need to combine both things we just learned, the select expression and the where clause. So in this case, you're going to only select the tabby cats, so the cats that have breed equal to tabby, and we only want name and age. And then finally, this is a little bit of a challenge because I didn't show exactly how to do this, but hopefully you'll be able to figure it out. We'll talk about it in the answer video either way, but hopefully it's not too difficult. In this case, what you're doing is selecting the instances where cat ID and age are the same. So if I go back to the data here, when I select all of them, if you look here, cat ID and age, they're not the same. 1 and 4, 2 and 10, but Egg's cat ID is 4 and Egg is 4 years old. And Jackson has an ID of 7 and is 7 years old. So how can you select just those two? And I don't want you to cheat. Don't select based off of their name or their breed or something. I want you to select where cat ID is the same as age. And we only want cat ID and age as well. Okay, solution video is coming up next.